class 7 students. Today in chapter nutrition in animals, we will start nutrition in different animals. First of all, I am starting from amoeba. You know very well amoeba is unicellular organism. Which type of nutrition it shows? It shows holozoic mode of nutrition. Its body is irregular, it is unicellular, and it feeds on microscopic plants and animals. Now come to different steps of nutrition. Its different steps can broadly be divided in 5 groups: ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. Look at one by one. Ingestion. Ingestion in amoeba occurs through general body surface with the help of pseudopodia. Pseudopodia is formed as food comes nearby amoeba body. It is a finger-like projection of cytoplasm. Now come to the second step, digestion. As food enters in body of amoeba, what happens? It is captured by food vacuole. Lysosome, which is a cell organelle, is attached with the food vacuole. Why? So that when it secretes digestive enzyme, digestion of food occurs. Now, after digestion of food, what happens? After digestion of food, absorption of digested food occurs. Absorption means digested food is incorporated in cytoplasm. For which purpose? For its further utilization. Further utilization means it is helpful in growth, maintenance and cell division also. Now come to the fourth step. Fourth step is assimilation. Assimilation means use of digested food for growth, maintenance, cell division, etc. And after that, what happens? Some part of the food which is undigested, it is expelled out by a process. That process is called egestion. Now, look at these steps in diagrammatic form. Now you can observe nutrition in amoeba in its diagram. In first diagram you can see a food. As food reaches nearby amoeba body, what happens? Cytoplasm flows towards the food and forms pseudopodia, which is shown in second diagram. In third diagram, this pseudopodia forms a cup-like structure in which food is captured. After that, in fourth diagram, you can see food enter in amoeba body through cell membrane and it is cached by food vacuole. Why? So that lysosome secrete its enzyme and digestion of food occurs in food vacuole. After that, in fifth diagram, you can see food after digestion incorporated in cytoplasm and undigested food comes out through the cell membrane. Now come to second organism, it is Hydra. Hydra is a multicellular organism that engulfs its food using the finger-like projection called tentacles. These are tentacles. 6 to 8 tentacles are present in Hydra. These tentacles are present around its mouth. Mouth is also called hypostome. During feeding, Hydra extends its body and tentacles to the maximum length, around 4 to 5 times of the length of the body, and catches the prey. The prey gets killed and is passed into the mouth. The digestive juice inside the body help in absorption of the digested food by the cavity wall. The food is then assimilated inside the cell. Undigested food is also expelled out through the mouth. That's why the body of Hydra. In the body of Hydra, incomplete digestive system is present because mouth and anus, both opening of both are same. Now, look at the diagram of human digestive system. You can see here human digestive system. In the body of human, well organized digestive system is present. In its body, digestion also completes in 5 steps: ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion. Ingestion, that means taking in food in the mouth, and digestion begins in alimentary canal. It occurs in alimentary canal. Alimentary canal in the body of human being is extended from mouth to anus. You can see the alimentary canal of human being. Now look at here, mouth and nose. Both leads in common chamber, nasopharyngeal chamber, which leads to pharynx. Pharynx leads to esophagus, esophagus to stomach, stomach to small intestine. You can see the network of fine tube-like structures. It is small intestine. Small intestine leads to large intestine, and large intestine opens to outside. In this alimentary canal, for the digestion of food, various digestive glands are present. Some are inbuilt and some are associated. You can see in the mouth region. In the mouth region, 3 pairs of salivary glands are present. In the stomach region, inbuilt gastric glands are present, and in the small intestine region, pancreas, liver, and intestinal glands are present. These glands secretes digestive juice which contain digestive enzyme. These digestive enzymes are helpful in digestion of food. That means by the activities of these enzymes, complex food is converted into simple form, simple absorbable form, so that it can be used. It can be sent to each and every cell for further utilization. Thank you.